Hey, thanks for stopping by. I got another radio from Jeff collection. This is a Juliette AM FM shortwave, and it's about a 1970 to 1975 vintage. I think I had one of these many years ago, and I think I got one that's still around someplace, but I don't know where. This is a nice little radio. This one's in very good condition. Nice big display, tuning knob, on-off volume. There's AC/D switch, works on either AC or DC. Earphone jack. I'm running it on AC right now. Telescopic antenna that's about 30 inches. Not a bad looking antenna. Radio. Let's see what it sounds like. So let's turn it on. We're on FM. Ooh, that sounds pretty good, but I can't leave it on. Can't leave music on. Let me go down to the bottom of the band. Tune's real smooth. Okay, very easy to read dial. The volume is a little touchy. You'll see. I hope it don't blow your ears out. Whoa. The tuning is a little noisy too. Well, a lot noisy.
Step outside, it's torrential rain, and you realize the tire's flat, so you gotta wait for that.
Nice,
and there's traffic,
bassy.
and then you run out of gas because of the traffic, and then, oh my goodness, it's 4:30. Still coming.
It changes me, it works. Crowder, somebody prayed.
Picking up a lot of stations.
.org to join today.
Come take a journey through Florida's most unique immersive art.
I have to go kind of fast. Very scratchy.
Ball at the 39-yard line. Here comes another blitz. Baswell got to him late. Touch made at the 44-yard line.
Getting a lot of stations.
It hurts. He sold.
Gotta stay off that music.
Inactive refreshment, active cleansing, and active refreshment.
About pain. Ever since I was 5 years old, it's been all about football. And about running, jumping, blocking, tackling. I stopped playing.
Pretty cool. Let's try AM. We're at the top of the band. It probably wants to be this way.
KFC/live your faith. Terms and conditions apply. Insurance company United Members may have a connect.
Doesn't seem to make much difference.
176.
Oh, okay, 176. Longest chapter in the Bible, and one of those.
Line 5:34 to trail the Jacksonville Jaguars.
The volume is either off or loud. I'm sorry for the loudness.
For the gun.
Oops.
Back to his left, and he'll get helping the self-employed.
It's supposed to be a lethal fighting.
Locks
5
on.
minutes, 9.
Locks on to those stations.
A tu cabeza, sanad en el nombre poderoso.
Number one name in draft beer and beverage systems, Probev.
Mr. Softy has been bringing the ice and family since 1956. And now, Rays fans can
Sorry about that.
visit one of several Softy stands located
It's either
throughout
loud or
the
not.
field for treats for the whole family. Mr. Softy is not just the best.
Okay, bottom of the band there.
than others, depending on how much they
There we go.
allow the Lord to work in them, how much they're taking in of the Word of God, how much they're allowing the
Yeah,
Spirit
it
of
likes
God
that way.
to deal with
The
them.
stations are that
But
way.
First of all, God is having
Okay, let's, just for the heck of it, we'll try shortwave. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so we probably won't get anything. But we'll try. It starts at about 4 megahertz and goes to 10 megahertz. Not very wide. Probably won't get anything. A little bit of noise. Nothing at 5 megahertz. Oh, I just killed the volume. No. Nada. I didn't think we'd get anything this time of day. It's, like I say, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You're not going to get much on shortwave. Plus, using the internal telescopic antenna, you really need at least 20 feet of wire antenna to receive shortwave. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.